Hello everyone, this is Start to Finish. I'm your part-time senpai. Today I'm going to show you tools to do model kits. Why do you need tools? Very simple. You don't have tools, you can't make models.
废话.
Let me introduce two of them tools. I call them the father and mother tools. For your father tools, what does it do? It cuts the pieces out from your sprue. I will show you in a future video how to actually cut it from the sprue. And this is your mother tool. I call it the mother tool. Sandpaper. Simply put, it's just sandpaper.
废话.
So why get a model kit nipper instead of a wire cutter? You don't use a wire cutter because like the name suggests, a wire cutter is just to cut wires.
废话.
So if you use it to cut plastic, you might chew off more than what you... If you choose a wire cutter, you might bite off more than what you can chew. So best to get the right tool for the right job. So the next piece of paper that I'm going to show you is the sandpaper. Yeah, you don't sand it like that. So what you do, how do you use it? I usually just cut a small piece of it out. Let me show you. So I usually just cut a small piece of it out. And yeah, and I'll fold it in half so it has a thicker base, and then just sand it down. Some people use ice cream sticks and stick to the back and sand it using the ice cream stick. So the good thing about sandpaper is that whichever tool you use to stick the sandpaper to, let's say for example this pen, let me show you. If I stick it to this pen, it becomes rounded, so it becomes good to sand rounded surfaces. Yeah, so yeah, sandpaper is very versatile, so I would recommend get sandpaper instead. Okay, another alternative to the sandpaper, I'll usually use sanding sponge. Why sanding sponge? Because it's thicker, it has grip, so yeah, I'm able to have a grip and then sand. If you look at the sandpaper, it's a bit hard to grab while you sand. So for people who are not very nimble with their hands, a sanding sponge might be good alternative. These are your two basic tools, the father and mother tool. I'll have a video in the future to show you how to actually use them. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.